Hi everybody, my name is Nikki and I'm going to show you guys today how to make a 5-pointed one-cut Betsy Ross star. Here's an example and it's going to look just like how it looks on this example American flag right here. So let's get started. Firstly, you're going to need some scissors and one simple 8.5 by 11 sheet of regular printer paper, just like this. And here's how it's going to go. Firstly, you're going to fold it hamburger style, just like this. Make sure you get the creases down, and then as soon as that's finished, you're going to fold it again, also hamburger style. Make sure you get that crease down, and then after that's done, you're going to take the top right corner right here and you're going to match it with the crease that you just made in the middle. Go ahead and get that crease down. And then you're going to keep that fold and you're going to take this edge right here and you're going to match it with the top edge. Go ahead and get that crease down. So it's gonna start to look like an upside down ice cream cone. And if it does, you're on the right track. Now you're going to fold this entire part over this ice cream cone that you just made. And it's gonna look like this. Flip it over. And then fold this along the other crease like so. So now it looks like an upside down ice cream cone. Flip it around, and then here's where the snip comes in. This is where you're gonna make your one cut. Make sure it's diagonal like this. Make your cut. Once you've made the cut, it's gonna look like this triangle. Go ahead and just unfold it like so, and there you have it. You're gonna have your 5-pointed Betsy Ross star. Ta-da! So please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content like this, and I hope you found value in this video and hope you have a safe and happy 4th of July. Just for fun, I like to see the other half of the paper just unfolded to see the star-shaped hole. And you can use this as like a stencil for drawing something else or for spray painting. Doesn't that look cool? But anyways, just an idea. Thank you so much for watching my channel and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.